Conquering the C1 Business Higher, BEC Higher, exam. Your gateway to success. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. In this video, we'll be focusing on the C1 Business Higher, BEC Higher, exam, a part of the Cambridge English Business. This exam is for those of you who aspire to use English confidently in a high-level business or academic environment. Let's dive right in and figure out how to ace this exam. First and foremost, we need to grasp what the BEC Higher exam entails. It is the highest level in the Business English Certificate (BEC) suite of exams, and it shows that you can be effective in a senior business management environment. The exam is divided into 4 sections: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Each part tests different language skills and knowledge, so it's essential to prepare for each one separately. The reading section consists of multiple choice, gapped text, and multiple matching exercises. To excel in this part, make sure you improve your vocabulary, especially business-specific vocabulary. Practicing reading comprehension exercises is also vital. Try summarizing passages or articles after reading them, which can help reinforce understanding and retention. In the writing section, you may be asked to write various business-related documents such as a report, proposal, or email. Focus on improving your formal writing skills. It's not just about grammar and spelling. You'll need to organize your thoughts logically and persuasively. Practicing different writing styles can help here. The listening section tests your ability to understand spoken English in a business context. Listen to business-related English materials like podcasts or news broadcasts to get used to different accents and styles of speaking. Remember, note-taking while listening can be an incredibly useful skill during this section. Practice this by summarizing spoken material in your notes. The speaking section evaluates your ability to express yourself verbally in a business context. This includes one-on-one conversations and group discussions. Practicing speaking is key. Try finding a language partner or consider using language exchange apps. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are part of the learning process. So, that's a quick guide to help you prepare for the C1 Business Higher, BEC Higher, exam. Remember, the key to success is consistent practice and exposure to business English in various forms: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. We hope you found this video helpful, and we wish you all the best as you strive for success in your BEC Higher exam. Keep practicing, and you'll be acing this exam in no time. Happy learning, everyone!